right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by House Life. Anyways, I want to give you guys a quick update since I was gone yesterday, or basically I got home, made my video, and left to my friend's house. But after work, which took 2.5 hours to get home after yesterday because I had to go to the post office, went to the wrong post office, went to the right post office, and then I had to wait in line, and they finally got my mailbox key. They didn't tell me which mailbox it was, so I had to go through literally every mailbox in my neighborhood, and it was like the last one or one of the last 9 of them. So I went through like at least probably like 100 of them, and I went through half of them twice last night in the dark. So anyways, got my mailbox key, found my mailbox, got like 3 weeks worth of mail because that's how long I've been living here, and I haven't checked my mail yet because I didn't have a key. So got 3 weeks worth of mail, which was a ginormous. I haven't opened any of that yet. Still about ready to upload my other video, but got all that stuff. Got my housewarming present, which I'll be showing you here in a second. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Did use the TV in the shower, which was awesome. So I do need to set up my other Xbox so I can leave one in the kitchen, one in the bathroom, so I can have Netflix, or not Netflix, but TV show streaming on every TV that I have open. Internet on Friday, like I said, might have to work an hour extra tomorrow, or leave an hour early on Friday and miss an hour of work. So I'm going to try to work extra an hour if I can tomorrow, and then leave an hour early on Friday so I can be to my internet schedule. What am I saying? The internet is supposed to, the dude from Xfinity is supposed to be here from 2 to 4 p.m. So I need to leave work at like 1:30 to get home in time for that. So that's the plan on that. I think that pretty much wraps up most of the stuff. That's all that comes to mind. I did go shopping yesterday and get gas in the car. So I spent like $50, another $50. Well, and the first time I didn't spend $50, but I did get like 4 loaves of bread, like 59 hot dogs or whatever. There was like a 3-pack or whatever, so it's like 3 pounds of hot dogs. So I'm gonna have to freeze some of the hot dogs, freeze some of the bread. Got a whole bunch of stuff. So actually wasn't even that much stuff, but it just starts to add up. So anyways, hopefully that gives you guys an idea of what I've been up to. So that should do it. Thanks guys for watching. Giveaway at 4,000 subscribers, which should be coming in a week or 2. Anyways, stay tuned for more updates when I get more stuff in the house, like a couch, a better table maybe, and some chairs, and a TV stand. But other than that, things are finally shaping up now that I got my mailbox key, know where my mailbox is at, and internet's coming in a couple days. So it's coming together, and I'm excited. So anyways, check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams, which should be coming soon. Live streams, I'm excited. All right, guys, God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. Peace out. Package here, which was delivered last night, but I wasn't home, so my neighbor, I gave him my opener because I'm friends with him. So I gave him my opener. He put it in the garage and left my opener. So it's from my friend's mom, aka another mother of mine. So anyways, it looks like it's from Costco, but I have no idea. I'm trying to do this real quick. It says it's like 6 pounds, and I have no idea what it is. So I'm trying to open this real quick. So I'm excited. Oh baby, what is this? What is this? I'm so confused. Stand by. Alright, so it says it's, I can't pronounce any of that, some fur throw. It looks like there's a handle, so I don't know if it's a sleeping bag, if it's a blanket, if it's a onesie, who knows? So I'm just gonna open this real quick. Alright, I'm not sure, I thought this was like part of I don't even know. I thought this was part of it, but I guess not. So maybe it's just a blanket, I don't know. So I think it's a blanket. Ooh, I don't know. Is it a blanket? Is it for my bed? I don't know. It looks pretty sweet though. Thanks, Mama T. Woo, baby. Dude, that thing is heavy. That's exciting. Thanks so much if you're watching this.